Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to make a percentage increase formula in Excel. You can easily calculate percentage changes in Excel using a simple formula. Start by making a table with 3 columns, containing the first value, final value, and the change percent. To add the formula, double-click into the first cell in the change column, and type equals. Open parentheses. Type B2, minus A2. Then close parentheses. / A2. Now hit enter. The results will appear in the change column as decimals. To convert them to percentages, select the results, then head up to the Home ribbon. Click the drop-down in the Numbers section, and select Percentage from the drop-down. That's it. We can now view the percentage change between value 1 and value 2. You can also calculate the percentage of a value using a basic multiplication formula. Here we have the first value, the percentage of the first value that we want to find, and a column for the results. If you want percentages in column B, you can select the cells and head up to the ribbon. Click the drop-down in the Numbers section. Then select Percentage. Because the percentage format multiplies the value by 100, we'll need to clear the cells and enter decimals instead. 70% is 0.7. 30% is 0.3. And 12% is 0.12. Next, double-click into the first cell in the equals column, and type equals, A20. Asterisk. B20. Then hit enter. Perfect. We can now view a percentage of any value in Excel. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.